Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook callaloo, creating a delicious and authentic dish. First, choose callaloo with strong green leaves and firm, healthy stems, ensuring freshness. Carefully remove any leaves that appear discolored or damaged, along with the very toughest parts of the stems. Then, wash your callaloo thoroughly under cool, fresh running water, making sure every leaf is clean and free from any garden soil, which is a crucial step for a great meal. Once clean, gather your other essential ingredients for this wonderful dish. You will need 1 medium onion and about 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Also, prepare 1 sprig of fresh thyme and a small Scotch bonnet pepper. You might want to remove the seeds if you prefer less heat. Now, roughly chop your cleaned callaloo leaves and tender stems into pieces approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch in size, ready for cooking soon. Now, let's build our flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, such as olive oil or vegetable oil, in a large, sturdy pot over a comfortable medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and garlic to the warm oil, stirring gently until they become wonderfully fragrant and soft, typically in about 3 minutes. Next, stir in the fresh thyme and your prepared Scotch bonnet pepper, allowing them to cook for 1 additional minute, which helps release their lovely aromas. It is now time to add the star of our dish. Carefully place all of the chopped callaloo into the pot, stirring everything together very well to ensure it combines nicely with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in approximately 1/2 cup of vegetable broth or water. Then, cover your pot and reduce the heat to a low setting. Allow the callaloo to gently simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it becomes beautifully tender and a vibrant green color, stirring it every few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.